Hello friends, welcome back to Nisha's kitchen. Today we are going to make mutton biryani. So let's not waste our time. Check with the ingredients and let's get started. Here I have 1.5 kg basmati rice which is soaked in water. I have taken the same quantity 1.5 kg of mutton. 4 onions which are finely chopped. This is 250 ml of tomato puree, around 8 to 10 tomatoes. 250 ml of curd. This is 3 tablespoons full lemon juice. I have taken 2 potatoes which are diced like this. Here I have 5 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste. This is also homemade. 2 tablespoons red chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, and this is garam masala, friends, homemade garam masala. Here I have added cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and star anise which is ground together to a fine powder. Clarified butter, 1 bunch coriander leaves finely chopped, half a bunch mint leaves roughly chopped, 4 to 5 green chilies slitted, salt to taste, and oil we have taken around 250 ml. Oil is hot. Now I am adding the onions to it. So we are going to fry the onions till the color changes to golden brown. So it will take around 5 to 6 minutes. Keep stirring. Yes, perfect color, friends. Now I'll be adding ginger garlic paste. Stir it a while and then add red chili powder, turmeric powder, green chilies. Stir it well and add mint leaves, coriander leaves, and then little salt. Mix it well and wait till the oil separates from the masalas. So now the oil has started separating. Now we'll add the puree. Mix well. And now goes in our curd. Stir it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now goes in our mutton. Stir it well and let it cook till the mutton is tender. Yes friends, it's been half an hour. Our mutton is tender now. So let my gravy simmer on low flames. I have kept a vessel in which I have taken water around 3 liters. In this I am adding coriander leaves, mint leaves, and black cumin. And after this I'll be adding 6 tablespoons salt. So the water here should be salty, friends. Now give it a stir and let it boil. Now here my gravy is boiling. Now I'm adding potatoes in it. And I'll be adding coriander leaves, mint leaves, lemon juice, half of the lemon juice, and garam masala powder. Now mix it well and cook till the potatoes are tender. So it will take around 7 to 8 minutes. Yes, now the water is boiling here, friends. Now I'm adding my stained rice to it. And here my gravy is also boiling. Let me check with my potatoes. Yeah, it looks soft and tender. Yeah, it's done. Now I'll switch off the flames and my gravy is ready. Now let's check with the rice. Yes, it's done. Yes friends, it's done. Now let's strain our rice. So this is my biryani handi. I have taken the lemon juice. I'll be adding a pinch of color to it. Now add the rice, half of the rice, and spread it evenly. Yes, now just sprinkle the colored lemon juice on it. And then sprinkle little coriander. Yes, now I'll be separating the oil from the gravy so that I can use it on the top of the biryani. So now rest of the gravy with the mutton will go into my rice. Now spread it evenly so that the part is covered. Now I'll be adding the rest of the rice to it. Again, spread the rice evenly on all the sides so that it covers the gravy completely. Yes, over it. Now I'll be pouring the oil, the flavored oil. Yes. Now add the colored lemon juice to it. Coriander and mint leaves. Yes, done friends. Now this will be cooking it on high flame. Now before closing the lid, I'll be using aluminum foil to seal the steam inside the biryani. So I'm just covering it with aluminum foil. And over it, place the lid and seal it properly. Yes, done. Now I'll be cooking it on high flame for 10 minutes and then low flame. So after 15 minutes, let's check. So it's been 15 minutes, friends. Let's check. Yes, I think the rice is done because gravy and like mutton, potatoes, everything are already cooked. Now we are going to check the rice. Yeah, it looks beautiful. Yes friends, your biryani is ready to be served to your loved ones. If you like my recipes, do subscribe, like and share with your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can be updated by my latest recipes. Thank you once again friends. Signing off, Sheena.